Hey there, it's your balloon bestie Karen Sawyer, and in this tutorial you are going to learn how to make this adorable baby in the blanket. All right, let's get this party popping. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start by inflating our 5-inch rounds. So you decide what color you want to do your blanket. So in this case, I'm going to do blue. So I have a 5-inch round blue, a light blue, and then I have this blush color printed face, baby face. So you don't have to do any artwork on this one. There is another option, okay? So they have a mocha brown printed face as well. Very, very adorable, okay? So I'm going to demonstrate with this one. I'm going to inflate my 5-inch printed face, okay? Okay, do not make it too big, and you'll understand why in a minute. And then you're gonna go ahead and inflate, if you can, holding the other one, your 5-inch blue, in this case, whatever color you want. And you're gonna make this round as well. Release a little air, okay? And then you're gonna tie them together. If you can't hold it and do it, then you just tie them individually and tie again, but I'm getting rid of all those extra steps, okay? So I've tied it, and you should have something that looks like a snowman, 2 rounds tied together, okay? So you'll set that aside. So then take your 260, and you're gonna inflate it almost all the way. We're just gonna do like 2 pinch twists so you don't need a lot of tail, okay? I'm just leaving a little. And then make sure you burp it, okay? If you're enjoying this tutorial, hit that like button. It does help my channel out a ton, and it is a super small free way to show your support. Thank you, and let's get back to the tutorial. Okay, so that's all the tail you need. So go ahead and create a 1-inch bubble. Okay, and I'm going to make that a pinch twist. So I'm just holding on to that nozzle, pulling up and twisting. Okay, that's all I've done. Then I measure about a hand's width and extend my thumb, pinch and twist. Go ahead and create another pinch twist. 1-inch bubble, pinch twist, fold it over, pull up on that bubble and twist. So this is what you should have. So then go ahead and place this around the baby, and you're going to twist this pinch twist into the balloon. So go ahead and twist it and twist that in. So now you should have something like that. Okay? So then just take the rest of this balloon, bring it across the bottom of that 5-inch round, and then you're going to twist this balloon into this pinch twist. Okay? So I'm twisting, and I'm twisting it into that pinch twist. Okay, just like that. And then this rest, you're gonna need this little piece here to tie it into this pinch twist. Put it securely across this head, okay? And actually, I have more than I need, so I'm gonna pinch it here and twist it in. And there you have it. Your baby in the blanket. Where's my pink one? Here's my pink one. All right, thank you for watching. Happy twisting, y'all.